everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So Madam Glam have launched their new collection for January 2021 and it's called Elite Collection, which contains all milky and soft shades with delicate glitters. They're so pretty. These are perfect for spring and summertime, but some colors are great for fall and winter as well. So I've picked 6 colors here from that collection and I'm loving these already. So if you don't know about Madam Glam, all of their products are 9-free, vegan, cruelty-free and hammer-free. I also have a 30% off coupon code for Madam Glam, which I will link in the description box below. They do have other programs like VIP and pay as you go, so you can check it out and save some money on their products. They are amazing gel polishes, great formula, great quality and professional. And I will also be doing a little nail art using one of the colors and with flakes and glitter, so stay tuned for that. So without any further delay, let's do the swatch party. So here's the swatch of Strawberry Milk and really love the name, and the color is so gorgeous and it has a very fine shimmers and really pretty, perfect for Easter time or summertime. Here's the swatch of Bubblegum Skies, such a lovely name, and it is a light blue gel polish with very fine blue glitters in them, and yeah, really gorgeous, perfect for Easter time. Here's the swatch of Milky Dream, and this one is light purple with very fine purple glitters, great for Easter time. This is Jasmine Tea, I really love the name, and this one is more like green and gray mix color with green shimmers in them, so yeah, really pretty. This one is called Extravaganza and it is a burnt red deep color and such a pretty color. It has like pink and red glitters in them and really lovely color, great for winter and fall. So the next one is called Antique Silver, and it's a really pretty gray purple tone color, and it has iridescent shimmers in them. It's such a pretty one and my favorite from this collection. So I'll be using this color, which is called Strawberry Milk, for this design. So just a very thin coat. And cure it for 30 seconds. So now for the Mylar design, I'm using these flakies here, so pretty. And this is the glitter I picked because it's pink color, so I picked some pink glitters. They are so pretty. So now my first layer is all cured, so I'm just gonna grab my wax stick and apply the Mylars in the center, just like that. So make sure you put like small flakies so they don't stick out a lot. I'm just applying some random places. Now I just grabbed some ombre brush, but you can apply with any brush you have. And just place it on the nail just like that so that it sticks to the nail. Just random. It looks so pretty already. Just love it. And I'm gonna put this in the light for another 30 seconds so it sticks to the nail really well. So now I'll be using the builder gel, which is called Builder Coral from Madam Glam, to encapsulate the design. So I've got the builder coral here, and I'm just gonna encapsulate these glitters and Mylars into the place. Take a little bit more. Just make sure to cover the whole nail. And just cure it for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. So now that it's all cured, I'm just gonna remove the sticky layer with some alcohol wipes. So now, as you can see, it's got little bumps here and there with the glitters, so we're just gonna file it off. So I'm just gonna grab my buffer and buff the surface, make it more smoother. So now, as you can see, the surface is very smooth and even out. And now the final step is to apply the no wipe top coat from Madam Glam to bring that shine of this nail. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so pretty. You can see all the glitters and Mylars. And then cure it for 60 seconds in the lamp. So that's the final design, guys. I'm really happy how it turned out. Actually, the glitters and the flakies It looks so beautiful, and after the buffing, nothing is sticking out. They look so smooth, and the top coat really makes it look really shiny and yet soft and elegant. Definitely I'll wear it on accent nails, but go ahead and wear on all of the nails. So I really hope you enjoyed watching the swatches of Elite collection and my design. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.